Pushes technology to the limits. Testing it proves to be even harder. In 2001, at a tiny workshop in Wolfsburg, Germany, workers run the engine at full throttle for the very first time. No one really knows what will happen.
This location is a little bit the historic site because this location we reached at first the 1001 horsepower.
But the 1001 horsepower number isn't really true. The engine actually produces 3000 horsepower. 2/3 of that energy is heat. When the engine first runs at full power, it nearly burns down the building.
In the beginning, this test stand here was a normal one, and the first experience we had was that the exhaust system on the roof was totally burning down.
At full load, we generate waste energy that could keep 100 family homes warm in winter.